wonderful world. But scary things can happen, and where and when they do, Roy will be there for you. When we need him, he's always around to keep us smart, safe, and sound. When the flames and dangers are near, I know that there's no need to fear. Roy will appear. We are learning fire safety from a super awesome teacher. He's strong and he's courageous, and he'll teach us all to be safer. Together we are learning what to do if something's burning. We are learning fire safety. Roy wants us to be safe as we can be.
Enjoy fireworks safely.
Hey guys, let's go see the super dragon, Nah, Peter, not now. Come on! It's now or never! It's the last day, guys!
Coming to my place?
Yeah, of course!
I'll be there.
What? But what about the super dragon?
It's Cindy's birthday today.
What? For real?
Seems like there's someplace else you'd rather be.
Well, I need to buy your birthday present. It's gonna be the best present you ever got in your whole life.
Yeah? Well, I'm excited then. Catch you later, guys. Peter, what'll you do now?
There really is no present, right? What have I done? Not this either. There must be a decent present in here somewhere. Hey, this is all right.
Peter?
Ah!
Ruby, I found you. There you are.
Lucy, I really need to take Ruby somewhere.
But Ruby's Lucy's special friend.
But I really have to have him. I'll buy you an even better doll instead.
No, you never ever keep promises.
Look, it's Mom.
Huh? You all right, Ruby? There. I'm telling Mom.
Huh? No! Ah! What the? Huh? Fireworks? Yes, it's all done.
I'm home.
Hey there, Roy.
What is that, Jin?
It's Cindy's birthday, and this is her present. She'll be so surprised when she sees this.
I'm sure Cindy will love it. How about I give it to her on my way to check the hydrants?
Really? That's awesome. Thanks, Roy. I owe you one.
Happy birthday, Cindy!
Thanks, everyone.
This is from me. And this is from me.
And this is mine.
Huh? Hey, you like my gift? Isn't it awesome?
Thanks. That's really cool, Johnny.
Watch. It can move its mouth and arm. Wow.
Is this the present you told me about? Let me have it.
It's just something I found in the garage.
It's fireworks?
What? Fireworks? Awesome. Wow. Wait,
Peter, I like them.
As promised, best present ever.
Mom, can we try a few of these out?
Those are some beautiful fireworks. It might be fun to give them a try. Now, everybody back up.
Mom, why didn't it work?
Well, I suppose it could be a dud.
Come on, firework, do your thing. Peter! Did the fire go out? Huh?
Pretty sure I'm almost there. Yikes! What's happening? That sounds like...
Is everyone all right?
Yes, ma'am.
I think so.
Here I am! Everybody get somewhere safe! Monica, when you use fireworks, always read the safety instructions and check the product's dates as well. Older fireworks can be unreliable with delayed or abnormal explosions.
Roy, I'm sorry. I should have been more careful than I was.
Please listen up. Remember, fireworks can be dangerous, so please read the safety instructions. Once the firework is lit, you must get at least 10 meters away to watch it. Never hold one in your hand or point one at people. Never use them inside or near flammable things or where there are a lot of trees. Only use them outdoors and when it is not windy. And if you try to set off too many fireworks at once, the explosion could start a fire, so never do that. And lastly, children, never touch fireworks without adult supervision. You got it?
Yes, we got it, Roy.
Sorry, Cindy. To be honest, I forgot about your birthday.
That was obvious. But it was very brave of you to try and save me like that.
Huh?
Shall we start the party again?
Peter!
Huh?
Your fireworks blew up my dinosaur!
How did that happen? I'm sorry!
Get back here, Peter!